How does Brexit affect UK citizens living in Estonia? Estonia's aim is to ensure that the transition period will be as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Leaving the EU with a deal. EU law will continue to apply to UK citizens until 2021. Until then, you can continue living in Estonia just like today. Your family members who are third country nationals will be able to stay in Estonia on the basis of their current residence permit. From the beginning of 2021, you will be issued a new document certifying your right of residence in Estonia. Leaving the EU without a deal. The Aliens Act will immediately apply to you and your family members living in Estonia. Your ID card is valid for use in Estonia until the end of its period of validity. You are not obliged to replace your documents immediately. If you wish to travel from Estonia to other EU member states or outside the EU, you can continue using your current ID card until the 1st of April 2020. By 1st of April 2020 at the latest, the documents must be replaced with a residence card. You will be granted a temporary residence permit for settling permanently in Estonia or a long-term residence permit, depending on whether you live in Estonia on the basis of a temporary or permanent right of residence on Brexit Day. Leaving the EU with or without a deal. Please ensure that your place of residence in Estonia is registered in the population registry. You can submit a notice of residence to your local city or rural municipality government. You can also use the e-service at eesti.ee. An ID card reader, and ID card PIN codes are necessary for this. Your residence permit will have the same functions as your ID card. For example, you can identify yourself or give your signature digitally. All UK citizens wishing to settle in Estonia after the UK's withdrawal from the EU will have to apply for a residence permit like all other third country nationals. For more information, please visit the website of the Ministry of the Interior.